Real love like no other, nothing to me. With anything that I do, time and time again you forgive me. So this time I choose to stay here with you. Oh, won't you hold me? Hold me just a little bit closer. No, I don't wanna miss this moment. The Lord has covered me now. I can't get over you. I can't get over you. I can't get over you. I just can't get